2021. We left from the Toledo-Perrysburg area all the way down to see the cicadas in Cincinnati. We're on 75, went over to 68. Brandon lives in Cincinnati since then. And along 68 near Bellefontaine, we heard them, and at a Camp Wesley. We heard them quite a bit in the Maryville McDonalds. Once we got down into the Cincinnati area along the highway, I was hearing them out the windows, and this darkened area along the expressway is where they were along the highway. Sharonville is where we stayed at the La Quinta Hotel, where they were in the parking lot.